Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates that Hazrat Abu Humayd Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a man from the Azd tribe called Ibn Lutbiya as a collector to collect alms. When he returned, he said, these riches are yours and these are presents given to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, well, why didn't he stay at his father's or his mother's house to see who would or would not give him a present? By him in whose possession my life is, nobody of you takes out of it, but he will come carrying it on his neck on the day of resurrection. If it is a camel, it will be rumbling. If it is a cow, it will be bellowing. And if it is a goat, it will be bleating. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands till we saw the whiteness of his armpits. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said thrice, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, did I convey your message? Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2597.